I'm Sharon Hanby-Robie, and I work in television. I have a great job, but unfortunately, about 2.5 years ago, I got hit by a drunk driver. The accident was in Delaware, and after being treated at the emergency center there, came home and knew that I needed to find someone to care for me and figure out what the next step was. Dr. Argiers happened to be a friend of mine, a neighbor of mine, and so I called him. After Dr. Argiers sort of put my neck back together, and he recommended I see Dr. Westphal, and we start to work on my knee, which was also injured in the accident. And that was a good experience as well. And the problem was, though, after all the surgeries and several weeks went by, I was left with a lot of pain. So that was when Dr. Argiers suggested I meet with Dr. Thurman. And I learned a whole sets of new technologies with Dr. Thurman. New terminologies and things that have been really successful for me. I really felt like Dr. Thurman understood how I felt, and that was important because that was the biggest issue for me. I wanted to be able to function normally and not just have someone write me a prescription, but to help me figure out how am I going to manage this pain. I really felt that Argiers, Becker, Westphal, and Marotti were my team. It was amazing how being naive about this whole process and now to understand everything that goes on here. I started out with Dr. Argiers, then I went to Dr. Westphal, then I've been in PT a couple of different times after different procedures, and the team here is awesome. They were encouraging and they pushed me just enough and gave me the confidence to keep moving forward. And then when I still found myself going, okay, I'm walking, I'm doing okay, but I've got pain issues, they didn't just stop there, you know. Then it was the next step, working with Dr. Thurman. So I really feel like I've come full circle. I know everybody here, they're my team, and they brought me through the last 2.5 years.